Wait lang. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Start na tayo.
Good day, everyone. We are Group 2, and today we present our case study titled Activity-Based Costing in a Food Processing Plant. In food manufacturing, accurate costing is essential to set the right prices and achieve profit. Traditionally, overhead costs are divided equally among products, but this method can be misleading because it doesn't reflect the true resources each product consumes. That's why we use activity-based costing or ABC. It allocates indirect costs to the specific activities that generate them, making cost tracking more accurate and data-driven. This helps managers make better pricing and product decisions.
And for our business process mapping, our chosen food processing plant operate under three major production activities: mixing, packaging, and quality inspection. Mixing is the initial stage where raw materials are combined based on standard recipes. This process is crucial because consistency in the mixture directly affects the product's texture, taste, and quality. Proper machine handling and measurement accuracy are vital here. Next is packaging, where the finished product are filled into containers, sealed and labeled. This stage not only prepares product for delivery but also ensures they meet branding and labeling requirements for the market. Lastly, quality inspection takes place to ensure all products meet the company's safety and quality standards before release. Inspectors test samples checking packaging integrity and verify product compliance with set specifications.
For identification of cost drivers and data collection, in this step, we identify the cost drivers that influence overhead spending. We have three main cost pools. First is 180,000 pesos for mixing, driven by machine hours. Second is 120,000 pesos for packaging, driven by the number of packaging runs. And 60,000 pesos for quality inspection, driven by the number of inspection tests. For activity usage, regular pack used more hours and runs, while bulk pack had fewer but larger scale operations. We also noted that direct cost, regular pack cost 15 pesos per unit, while bulk pack cost 30 pesos. This data was used to build the ABC model and allocate overhead properly.
Next, we created ABC model in 3 steps. Next is step 1, compute the activity rates. We divided each cost pool by its total driver units. Mixing 180,000 divided by 2,000 equals 90 pesos per hour. Packaging 120,000 divided by 3,000 equals 40 pesos per run. Quality inspection 60,000 divided by 1,500 equals 40 pesos per test. For the step 2, allocate overhead costs to products. Regular pack 108,000 for mixing, 72,000 for packaging, 36,000 for inspection, total of 216,000. Bulk pack 72,000 for mixing, 48,000 for packaging, 24,000 for inspection, total of 144,000. For step 3, compute overhead cost per unit. Regular pack 216,000 divided by 10,000 is equals to 21.60 per unit. Bulk pack 144,000 divided by 5,000 is equals to 28.80 per unit. These calculations reveal that regular packs consume more overhead due to smaller runs and frequent packaging.
After computing overhead, we determine each product total cost, selling price, and profit margin using cost plus pricing. Step 1. Total cost per unit is equal to direct cost plus overhead. Regular pack is equal to 15 pesos plus 21.60 pesos equal to 36.60 pesos. Bulk pack is equal to 30 pesos plus 28.80 pesos equal to 58.80 pesos. Step 2, selling price equal to total cost times 1.30. Regular pack is 47.58 pesos while bulk pack is equal to 76.44 pesos. Step 3, profit per unit is equal to 10.98 for regular and 17.64 pesos for bulk, both with 23.08% margin. Even with the same percentage, the bulk pack is more profitable in absolute term because it benefits from economies of scale.
So now we will tackle the managerial insights, recommendation, and conclusion. From the results of our analysis, we can derive several important managerial insights and recommendations that can improve operational efficiency and profitability. First, we have batch efficiency. The company can combine seller production batches into a fewer, larger runs to minimize setup and mixing overhead. This will reduce downtime and improve utilization of machines and labor. Second, we have automation. Investing automated equipment or semi-automated packaging lines can reduce manual labor and human error while also improving consistency and speed. Third, we have quality optimization. Instead of inspecting every single product, the company may adopt a random sampling system. This approach still ensures quality standard but saves time and costs associated with repetitive inspections. And fourth, we have lastly product pricing. Since regular packs consume more overhead resources, management may consider slightly increasing their price to reflect their true costs and maintain a healthy profit margin. In conclusion, activity-based costing allows companies to clearly see where their money is going. It provides a transparent breakdown of costs, helping managers to make a well-informed decision-making regarding pricing, product design, and process improvement. By implementing ABC, the company can not only achieve more accurate costing, but also enhance profitability, support a long-term sustainable growth.
Here's the summary of our overall computation. The total overhead 360,000, mixing 180,000, packaging 120,000, QA 60,000. Regular pack overhead 216,000, 21.60 unit. Bulk pack overhead 144,000, 28.80 unit. Total cost per unit, the regular is 36.60, bulk 58.80, selling price 30% markup, regular 47.58, bulk 76.44. Profit per unit, regular 10.98, bulk 17.64. Lastly, profit margin 23.8% uniform markup. Thank you for listening. That concludes our presentation on activity-based costing in a food processing plant. We hope you gained insight on how ABC support efficient and profitable business operations.
Ilang minutes siya?
8 minutes lang din.